guys, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So I am back. If you haven't seen my failed braid tutorial, definitely go check that out, because y'all were really in the comments and in my DMs and just telling me individually that it was not a fail. I just didn't do it. And you guys are completely correct, because y'all, I'm feeling myself, okay? And I've actually perfected my braid down to the T. And no lie, this time I didn't even do the actual like routine that I usually do, and it's still giving, okay? It's still giving. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep watching this tutorial, because I'm definitely going to show you how I achieved this look with minimal effort. I did nothing. I literally just took the braids out and it just worked, okay? Keep watching. I wasn't as confident as first because it was my first braid out for real. With, you know, this length hair. I wasn't used to it. Now I got a little more length, but even besides the length, yeah, I just wasn't comfortable. So now we're about to just get into it. I'm gonna show you guys my braid out, and yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back for more.
I want some of your brown sugar. Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was BRAID. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade black burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm
about to stretch it. So usually I use this to stretch, but I'm feeling this and I feel like it's gonna last way longer. So what I'm about to do is take my pick and, you know, just fluff it out a little bit because it is kind of like on my head. Like, you see how this is like I don't know why I'm tripping. I've been doing TikToks for a minute now and I haven't really been doing sit down videos. So like when I'm doing these hair tutorials, I'm not really there. But yeah, you see how this one's like on my face and this one's like more voluminous. That's what we're doing. So when I'm picking it out, I actually like to go under the hair. But as you see, my hair really just messing with me today. So I'm really doing both. But I can say going under your hair prevents less frizz at the top. So definitely, especially if your hair likes to get frizzy. I feel like all of our hair likes to get frizzy. But if your hair, if you know your hair be frizzy, definitely go on the bottom. I don't really care about the frizziness right now because these curls are popping. Like, look. Oh my G. Okay, Shauna, you got hair. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Because it was such a, to me, it was such a fail when I first did it. It didn't give this when I first did it. Y'all can't even lie. It did not give this. And even though I perfected my braid out, I didn't really perfect it from this stage. Like, usually after this stage is when I'm satisfied. The fact that I'm satisfied right now, okay, I kind of fluffed this part a little more than I wanted to. But yeah. Bust it up and bend up and I'm gonna crack it. He addicted, like he got a little crack in it. Okay. I think I flipped this part a little too much. Not that. Shawn. Yeah, I'm so overcritical of myself. It's not even funny. Okay. But yeah. This is my hair. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because this natural hair journey is a journey for both of us to go on. And I want us all to learn. I want us all to grow. I want us all to make mistakes. I want us all to go through the process together because natural hair is literally a journey within itself. But yeah, love you guys.